Hello, everyone. We are going to listen to another beautiful success story from Karthik from Dubai. Is that right, Karthik? You're in Dubai
Yeah,
now.
yeah,
Fantastic, fantastic. So, oil-rich place. Where is he now? So he qualified himself as a PMP. I know UAE, US, Canada. The PMP is always a crazy demand. Specifically, the Arab part. The PMP certification has its own value. Right? The way they look at a PMP qualified. Oh man, this guy has some knowledge. Right? That's pretty much there. So first of all, congratulations from Sri Learning and team. He joined
yeah.
us
Thank you,
by
man.
yeah, he joined
Yeah,
in
thank you.
September 2020, and within 2-3 months he was able to crack it, and he read only 1 month and cleared the exam. So it's a
Yeah,
little surprising to see a person within 1 month can crack the exam. So he should have some stuff with him. So let's understand what secret pushed him to get this. So once again, congratulations to Karthik.
yeah. Thank you, sir. Yeah, yeah. The time was very short actually, but I've seen one YouTuber video. I don't remember. He was saying that you have to book your exam first, then only you will start your studies, and you will push yourself to the exam to clear it. Otherwise, you will think, okay, let us do on the other day. Once I
Mhm.
come study.
True.
So that is why I book my exam first,
Mhm.
started studying. Meanwhile, I was studying like every day morning 6 I will wake up.
Oh.
9:30 I will study. I'm working from 9:30 I'll study.
Mm.
Again from 6 to again till 12 I'll do my studies with some breaks and everything.
Mhm.
Every day hardly I'll study for 8 hours. And Friday, Saturday it's my off, so I'll be totally the whole day I'll be
The books.
the books. Even if I take my wife as having some classes for the IELTS and just proper, and I'll sit in the park and I'll study. People will think, what is this guy is doing?
Oh, you take the books and go to park.
Yeah, because I want to manage my kids till my wife comes. She is attending IELTS class for 2-3 hours.
Okay.
So 2-3 hours, I'll take my kids to the park. I'll ask them to play, and they'll play around there. And I was studying from the park.
Wow. Wow.
Friday,
That's a
Saturdays,
responsible
I'll be in the
dad.
park.
Ah.
Yeah, and
But it is a COVID season. Are you people allowed to go around in Dubai? I mean, and the park area, they're allowing you people to walk around
yeah, without with your
with a
say,
mask. You have to go there. Okay.
yeah, you have to put a mask, and you can.
That's interesting, man. Sitting and reading in a park.
Yeah, might be, but for the guys who are from looking from outside, they will think this
Okay.
guy is sitting
They
from the
they
park in
understand.
the.
They understand some dawn of
Yep.
Dubai is reading something there next to Planet.
I don't know. Maybe. So that is the way. Then I used to study using Rita only.
Hmm. Hmm.
Chapter when I finished, I used to go through the questions.
Very
So
good.
completed all the chapters. Again, I used to come back again,
Ah,
read.
ah. Yeah, lost your voice, Karthik. Yeah.
Can you hear now?
Now I got it. Last sentence we lost it.
Yeah, no, I used to once I go through all chapters,
Ah,
the questions and answers, and
okay.
again I'll repeat the chapter. I
Oh,
repeated the chapter,
okay.
and one more time before the exam, I have repeated the chapter. So
Hmm. Hmm.
3 times I went to Rita,
2 times.
3 times.
3 times. You read fully.
Yeah, not fully. The third one is I have read only the highlighted points.
Nice. Nice. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
and I have done some exams in the prepcast,
Okay.
and always the group is, our group is exciting. I'm eagerly waiting for the questions, for the 10 questions data, because the prepcast also, even I did not find such questions. I will expect that today Sriram will put a 10 questions. There will be one with which will be difficult, and I don't know the answer of that question. I was trying till the last day. I want to get a 10 out of 10, but still I
Did
used to miss one or two.
Oh man, 10 out of 10. So okay. After PMP, you tried that 10 question in the WhatsApp.
No, I exit actually. Yeah, no, I used to. I want to think, and sometimes if somebody wanna Anyone is chatting? Anyone is putting some questions?
Okay.
Interested to deal with that question.
Okay. Okay.
Really, the 10 question was challenging for me, and I was doing regularly the 10 questions.
Very good. Very good.
Process sheet, the day one, as you said, before I started the book, Rita, from the first 1 week, as you said, I have written the 49 more process for the every day.
Very good.
Then after that, I have stopped it. And again, while I'm studying, that is the one who was giving me the continuity to study. Then again, as you said, once I have finished all the chapters and everything, before the exam of 5 days, again I used to write the 49 hour process.
Very good. Very good. So writing habit being followed.
Yeah, sure. Because all the formulas and that one, because when in the exam there is a question like 0.5 CPA and this and that, you will never think that it is a behind schedule or ahead schedule. That much quick you will answer it because you have practiced, right? It is greater than one is so and so.
They used to tell about the speciality of Bruce Lee. I think you remember Bruce Lee, right? Bruce Lee's speciality is speed and perfection.
Yes. Yeah.
You can have speed, but with that, if you have perfection, and nobody can touch you. So how do you get speed and perfection? It's purely by practice and concentration. Okay.
100%. Yeah. Right.
Fantastic. Good.
You can do the exam without writing. You will do, but still you will have some confusion.
Exactly. The confidence level will be high.
Yeah, you will never get confused. These kind of questions. Actually, I like maths very much, so I'm interested in cast and those. Very interested for me.
Okay. Pretty interesting. So how was the classes useful? The online classes which you attended?
Yeah, it is really helpful because that is what when I finish one class integration, I go through the chapter. The first was stakeholder and communication.
Right.
So stakeholder and communication, I used to go to and I used to read the classes. But the examples which you have given me, it is really the good ones. You don't explain the core subjects, fully. Like the main points which you are giving me, like a cold plating. When you are giving one example, if you are doing like one car, if you are putting additional facility, so these are the things you will not find in the books. Rita, when you read it, these are the examples you will keep in mind, and it will be helpful for you to
right. Yeah, but tell me, being in Dubai, classes happens in India time. How do you manage it?
First 2 classes I have attended. Sometimes I was not able to attend the classes.
You saw a recording, you'll see.
And I used to see the video only.
Okay.
Classes, some because mainly we are on holidays, weekends.
Right.
And with the family, it is very difficult. Have 2 kids.
That's true.
My elder son is always asking me, why you are studying at this age now?
Oh man, that's a tough question, huh?
Yeah. Why you are studying?
Okay. So what was your answer there?
I was telling him like, see, there is no age for study because he knows that I used to always read some historical books.
Okay.
I love reading.
Okay.
So he know that, but this time when I was practicing, I was writing. That is what he surprised.
The writing habit to impress the kids.
Yeah, he was thinking, and when I was putting, after writing my answers, I put tick mark, and he will say, "Oh, Dad, you got full marks."
Wow, he'll be so excited. My dad is going to buy a villa in Dubai.
Might be, but he don't know.
He'll say, "Hey, you want a villa from Sheikh Abdullah? It will be done only when you read it properly."
But now I am an example for him. See,
role model.
Why you don't study? Why don't you finish your studies? Why don't you finish your homeworks? That is, I can ask him.
Wow.
He did not see how I was studied in my kid,
college days. Yeah. Okay.
Now he has seen this guy is studying well, so I have
Okay. Now his respect on dad would have gone high. Oh man, this guy should be a crazy guy.
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. But he may know that you choose answer of A, B, C, D. For him, you have to write the answer, right? Poor guy.
For him, yeah, because he's on that stage only, no.
He will tell dad, for you, every answer is there. You have to just choose it. Man, what a big deal there.
No, they are also having such kind of now online.
Two type exams. Okay.
They will
So
have online questions like that only, but
fantastic.
still
Fantastic.
they need to read and write.
So yeah. So where you went for exam? Center based or Proctor?
Center based, yeah, center based.
Center based.
I was thinking to have an exam in the laptop, and one of my friend was we are group of three actually. They
Oh,
plan to have their
okay.
exam in December 8th,
Mm.
and they were advising me like if there is anything happen like power shutdown, and if the Chrome is stuck or something, it will be waste of effort.
Mm. Mm.
You
Mm.
need to write a letter to PMP. So I want to avoid this. First, initially, I was thinking it won't happen, but when I was practicing exam, yeah, 2-3 times the Chrome was stuck and it was
Oh,
automatically.
okay.
So I thought it is a risk, but
But
I
what
didn't get the
happened is,
appointment. It is very tough.
yeah, but what happened is PMI is giving an application. That
Yes.
application will run on a laptop. If you have a good personal laptop, a decent internet, a decent power supply, all will be good.
Oh, okay, really? Yeah, I don't know. I thought it is in a Chrome based.
No browser. They open an application. They take
Yeah.
control of the computer. That's where the blocker is. See,
Okay.
if it is a personal laptop, nothing will happen. If it is an office laptop, when it takes a control, behind there is a firewall running. They start clashing to one another. So
Yeah,
that's the
that is even when I selected for a home based
problem.
initially home based.
Uh,
That time they were advising me that you should not have a VPN, you should have a personal laptop.
lot of stuff with it. Lot of stuff with it.
Yeah.
So talk about the exam. How was it in the exam hall? How things went on?
Yeah, it is good. There was another guy next to me. He was a PMP guy. Exam as
Oh,
there was some table like he
so
was.
so you're asking them, hey, question number 2.
No, I was just thinking. Let us see who is completing the first 89 questions first. Then I've completed my 89 and I have reviewed, and I went washroom and come back. Still, this guy is sitting. He did not.
Man, there you said, hey, look at me.
He was thinking.
Yeah, but are you sure you both started at the same time?
Sorry.
You-
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, then it's fine.
Started at the same time.
Okay. How was the question? The first 20, 35 questions, how was it? Tough?
Yeah. So initially the first 10 questions little bit difficult to understand, like because I'm nervous.
Nervous.
Yeah. So after 10th question, I picked the speed, like how to answer the questions.
Okay.
It was good.
So,
After the 10th question,
mm,
my biggest worry was whenever I'm doing prep class, I in the last 5th minute, I don't get the time to review.
review the questions. Okay.
So I thought the same would be happen for me in the mock PMP exam as well. What language they have used for the exam questions, it was pretty good. Understandable.
2 lines. Mostly 2 lines, right?
Mostly 2 lines, 2-3 lines. You won't see like such a big questions in.
They change the pattern now. And when you completed 200th question, how much of time you had?
20 minutes.
Pretty decent time. You can review a lot of questions.
Yeah, even no, the first 89 questions when I have completed, I was having a 20 minutes. So I reviewed the 89 questions.
Then you got 40 minutes with you.
Yeah. So then I took a 5 minutes, 10 minutes break. Then finished another and I had 20 minutes. Then I reviewed those questions.
So you're pretty solid on what you want to do. Clear on that point. But that's pretty interesting. Great. Good to know. Now talk about something on the exam question paper. Which area you found they are drilling much or difficult?
risk.
Okay.
Risk, and I got because when our group we were discussing in the PMB, guys were interesting how many formula questions they have asked. Someone was saying it 3 or 4 only I had.
Mm.
Uh, but when I find, I was worried because if the formula questions, I'm very solid on that. I can give the answer immediately. So, but in the exam, I got near about 10 or 15 questions related to
Formula. Wow.
cost. Cost.
Pretty high. Pretty high.
Yeah, pretty high.
Okay.
Even I didn't expect that much of questions.
Oh, but it is bumper for you, right? You know, math.
Yeah,
You know math, huh?
yeah.
Man, somebody leaked the question paper for you.
No, it was good. I used to write all the formulas, so it was easy for me to answer the questions immediately.
That's nice. That's nice. Good, 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 good. Fantastic. That's great. So risk is a little more, we have to focus, and mathematics, some extra sums coming up. How is it on agile questions?
Agile questions, not much say, as I have the webcast, which was most, and
That's enough.
there is a practice exam mock in the PMP, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
In the practice exam, I feel like why they don't ask any concept type of questions. Why it is all of them are situational questions. But in PMP real exam, there is a 50-50, like 50% of conceptual questions and 50% of the situational questions. So
Right.
and agile questions I faced very hardly,
Yep.
maybe
Yep. Yep.
maximum.
Yeah. The PMI has to improve their exam. At present, they're giving us a free. Something comes free, the quality will be low. That's what I feel it. They have a lot of places to improve there. They cannot give every question answer immediately, and it should be a very user-friendly screen. A lot of factors they have to improve. PMI is a little backward on their websites. They're backward on the results, backward on intimation. If you book an exam, you won't get any intimation. After clear the exam, there won't be any intimation. Even the exam hall, congratulations will be only 7 font size. So a lot area they have to improve. They have to read the book of communication management from their own book, understand how to do it properly. They're a little poor on that area. They have to work out. Mm. Okay, fantastic. Great to know. Good. So, what will be your tips, do's and don'ts for people getting to exam?
Do's and don'ts. Like, yeah, spend. We need to. Anyhow, we need to spend. Even if you are studying in 1 month or 2 months,
Mm, mm,
you need to spend much hours on it. Like,
mm,
hardly if you are studying for 8 hours daily, like 6 hours daily, then it will be enough to complete in 1 month. But
mm,
if you're spending only 2 hours, then you need to spend another month.
mm,
So better to study put a lot of time in a short days, and you can complete it, and practice more questions whatever the possible, and don't miss that 10 questions daily. So
ah,
which, some of the tips that definitely daily you will get a 2 tips. Uh,
that's
and,
true. The WhatsApp group, you have to be active. Mm,
sorry, yeah, sure. Yeah,
mm,
even if you don't respond it immediately,
mm.
do it yourself and keep it okay. And
Exactly.
yeah,
Exactly.
and right, the formulas and the 49-hour process will be very helpful, in the beginning of the days and the end of the before the exam days. So these
Oh, oh,
2 7 days definitely you need to read and write. So it'll be very helpful. It will improve your thinking. Like when you see your question, there is one process, you will connect the next process immediately. You will not wait to read all the 4 answers.
got
You'll
you.
get the answer immediately.
That's good. Perfect. Great. So, what are the don'ts? You say, hey, don't do this.
Uh, you know, don't study all the books, and don't read more than one book.
Hmm.
Like there is only one book is enough. Any one of them we can follow and we can study. No need to have much more depth of practice
Hmm.
in
Hmm.
the books. Instead of that, we can have a depth of practice in the questions, because every
Perfect.
question is a different one.
Perfect. Perfect. Yeah.
If you
Practice
read
more.
100 times the book, yeah, still the questions are bit
Mm.
tough. So no need to spend much time on, because I used to see there are some people are writing much. They're putting all the identity process. I don't know. There is one of our group member was doing that. I used to ask them like, how much time you are getting to do this? Even for us, it is study time is very less.
Yeah. Yeah.
It is really tough. But that much of workout, I don't think we need to. We need to mainly concentrate on really the extra reading materials which you have given, like the charts and
Mm. Mm.
files. I used to go through every 2 days after.
Okay.
I'll
Makes sense.
just keep on remember that. So the extra reading materials are having that. There is one chart for the connecting all the process, like functionality chart, which is connecting all the process. I
Right.
I go through that chart three times.
Ah.
So it is better to go with the extra reading materials. It will give the no need to go through the repeated books. Extra reading materials we'll find some. It will
Makes,
be helpful for you.
makes sense. Makes sense.
Yeah.
Perfect. That's pretty good. Super. Thanks, Karthik. And I know this is your holiday. You should be celebrating and having fun with the kids. But
Yeah.
you came up to give some.
Actually, today is my birthday.
Oh man! Happy birthday wishes.
Yeah. Thank you.
Great, great. So we met you in a right day. Happy mode.
Yeah. Thanks.
That's fantastic. That's fantastic. Great. So it's a office they declare leave when you celebrate birthday.
No, I took annual leave for this week
Okay,
to
okay,
stay. So
okay.
I was initially having a plan to at the end of the week, but
Uh-huh.
release it before the birthday because tomorrow is my wife birthday. So
Man, 1 week of time, PMP birthday. So what's
yeah,
happening? Any restaurant in Dubai celebration today? You should.
nice. Because this is uh, month of Ayappa, so
Ah,
I don't go
man.
for the hotels and everything.
That's okay. You don't eat. Take your family.
No, no one,
Who has to eat? Pay the bill and come back.
no one will eat.
Okay, got you, got
Only
you.
1 month we'll become a vegetarian.
I know the fasting time. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, that's great. That's great. Good, Karthik. Super. Nice talking to you. I think we gave
Yes.
a lot of
Thanks.
information, do's and don'ts, and details, and I'm
Yeah.
sure it will be helpful. One
Yes.
interesting thing found is don't jump to too many books and
Yes.
stay focused on one area and read the subject, understand the concepts enough. Now go to the question, do the analysis.
Yes.
Actually, question analysis will improve your scoring level. That's what the point I heard from you, right?
Yeah.
And
Yes.
put a good amount of
And the
hours of
extra reading materials.
good amount of hours you have to put there to focus and read well. And
Yeah.
whenever you get a time, go to nearby park and sit and read. That's a easy way to clear BP. Okay, but happy to see that no distraction in the park for you.
No,
Okay,
no, no, no
that's
distraction.
fine. That's fine. So your family should be proud
It
of
was
you.
a big park. It was
Whatever it
big.
is, whatever it is, you know our guys. Okay, when you go
There
distract.
is a disturbance from the second one. He
Okay, that
water,
one,
water.
that one is there.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. Cool, Karthik. Thanks a lot for coming up here. Once again, wishes from Sri Learning. Thanks for
Yeah,
coming.
yeah. Thanks,
That's
Sriram. Thanks for your support and Rahul.
great. Good to know. Good to know.
The
And
day one. Okay.
perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. 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 I know there is need a good amount of trust to listen to the session and to read the books what we recommend. So they all need some trust. So the trust and your commitment made this success. Keep rocking. Be a big person in Dubai. Good wishes.
Yeah. Thanks. Thanks, Sriram.
Bye.